How to reload Touch and Go using Duitnow. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to reload Touch and Go using Duitnow. So first of all, what you need to do is tap on the profile icon. After that, you will get to see a Duitnow transfer option. So tap on Duitnow transfer and then you will see the option Link ewallet with Duitnow. Tap on Link ewallet with Duitnow. After that, tap Link ewallet with Duitnow. Now, just start receiving money using your mobile number. So that is exactly how to reload Touch and Go using Duitnow. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.